Hi, welcome to RPA Genie. In this video, we'll be learning about invoke process activity. Invoke process activity is used to invoke a specified process from any sequence. For that, we require separate processes. Here I have my main process and process 1. I'll be using invoke process activity in my main process and we'll be selecting process 1 which we need to invoke. Now to identify that process 1 is invoked, we can use a message box activity to display our message. Now to understand the workflow, when I run the main sequence, this process 1 is invoked from this invoke process activity, and from process sequence, the message box will be executed. If I run this sequence, you'll see a message box. Here. Now we can also pass data from main sequence to our process sequence. For that, we need to create argument and pass the arguments through invoke process activity. I'll first create an argument in my main process. I create a string argument and I'll assign a value to it. Now, to catch this value which I'll be passing through invoke process, I need to also have an argument in my process sequence. So, we need to create an argument in this sequence too. Now, to catch the value coming from other sequence in this process, we need to make the direction as in so that it will catch the value and use it. Now to display that value, I'll use that argument in this message box, which will be having the value that will be passed from main sequence. And to get this connection, we'll be configuring the parameters in invoke process activity. For that, we click on these three dots and the argument from the main sequence is already here. This argument is from the process sequence and which has a direction in. We'll be passing the value from main sequence, which is the argument that we have created. Now if I run my project, this will display the value that I'm passing from main sequence to the process which is invoked. Thank you.